Time now to look at the Indian stock markets that have opened on a very negative note this morning. In fact, as we speak, Sensex is down about 1,500 points or almost 1.9% from yesterday's closing price. Meanwhile, Nifty50 also trading more than 300 points below yesterday's price. Look at the heat map on your screens. It's pretty much a sea of red this morning, and the biggest losses really coming from HDFC Bank. And we will tell you the HDFC story as well, as HDFC Bank's Chairman Atanu Chakraborty has suddenly stepped down, citing ethical issues. So that's the story coming in from HDFC Bank this morning. That stock is down about 4% or so in trade. Remember, the stock opened almost 5% down, has pared some losses since. We will soon bring you a perspective on what's really going on HDFC Bank. Meanwhile, all other indices as well as sectors also in the red this morning. Look at Reliance Industries. Reliance is down about half a percentage point. Tech stocks also taking negative cues from the US Wall Street data as well as Asian markets, and tech stocks this morning again bleeding. Infosys is down about 2% or so in trade. TCS down about 1.5%. Similar sentiment reflected even across Wipro as well as HCL Tech. So that's the story coming in from the IT stocks, and auto stocks, also the consumer durable space, looking absolutely unworthy of any investment bullishness this morning, with Maruti Suzuki down about 2%, Mahindra & Mahindra down about 2.7%, Bajaj Auto down about 1.6%, Tata Motors down about 3% or so. That's the story coming in from the Indian stock markets this morning. Nothing really to write home about as far as any excitement for investor goes. Meanwhile, let's pull up the Asian markets again this morning, and Asia has been bleeding as well, taking cues from the escalation of the conflict in West Asia and the energy assets in Iran as well as Qatar being hit. On your screens right now, Japan's Nikkei 225 down about 2.8% or so, South Korea's Kospi down more than 1.5%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng also down about 1.68% or so in trade right now. Shanghai Composite Index down about 1%. India featuring somewhere in the middle of all of this, and obviously Indian stock markets really dampened today by what we are seeing on HDFC Bank.